Thanks for your question. The trouble with fractions is they're really hard to compare, uh, and that's exactly what they're asking us to do. To compare which ones are bigger and which ones are smaller so we can arrange them from smallest to largest. And you can only really compare them if they have the same denominator. And you've got 9/10, 23 30ths, 8/15. They've all got different denominators. But we can give them the same denominator. So if you could think of the least common multiple of 10, 30, and 15, that would make a good denominator. Well, I happen to notice 10 times 3 is 30, and 15 times 2 is 30, so 30 would be a good choice. That's our least common multiple. So let me start with 9/10. If I want that to have a 30 on the bottom instead, then I got to multiply the bottom by 3. And if I multiply the bottom by 3, I got to multiply the top by 3. So that way I have an equivalent fraction to 9/10. I have 27/30ths. Then I'll do the same thing. I can skip 23/30. That's already in 30ths. But I got to do it with 8/15. Well, 15 times 2 is 30. If I multiply the bottom by 2, I got to multiply the top by 2, so I get an equivalent fraction. 8 times 2 is 16. So, really what I have here in 30ths is I've got 27/30ths, 23/30ths, and 16/30ths. Well, which one has the least number of 30ths? That would be 16/30ths, which was 8/15. And then next would be 23/30ths. And then last would be 27/30ths, which was 9/10. Sorry about my dog. And there, I've done it. Easy way to check it, you could just take a calculator. Let me do that really quick. And you could just do 8 divided by 15, because that's what 8/15 means, 8 divided by 15. Calculator. 8 divided by 15. So that's 0.53. I'm rounding. And then 23 divided by 30. It's 0.77. And then 9 divided by 10 would be 0.9. So that was a good way to check it, to just see that the decimal equivalents are clearly ordered from small to large. But there's my answer right there. I hope that helps. Thanks for your question.